Where are we at, babe?
We're at a waterfall.
We're at the waterfall. We parked right here so that we could take pictures and go explore.
Yes.
Okay, here you go. You want to go go record the waterfall.
So we have waterfalls. There's a big waterfall coming down and down, and I'm going to show you something. Look at those peoples. Those peoples are climbing all the way maybe up there to that part where that waterfall is.
We're going to go on a walk over here.
Yes. Come on, everybody.
We gave Hadley the GoPro.
And now she's just
and now
running.
she's I don't know what is going to be on that camera.
Yeah.
It might be a little scary.
Yeah. And it might make you dizzy.
Hey guys, so today we're going on a great walk today, and here's my family right over here, and they're just very slow and not walking very fast. And I'm the fast one, and I can run like... So we're going to the waterfall. It's like all the way over there. And we have to walk down this really long trail to get there.
How do you turn it on?
I don't know.
Oh, there you go. Now, record.
Press the top button to record.
What's up, radical dude?
There's the waterfall. Look, Livy, do you see the waterfall? This summer has been so hot, but today, Austin's making fun of me, but today it's a lot cooler.
Today, it's a lot cooler. It's probably from that waterfall. It's making a lot of wind. Waterfall. It's making a lot of wind.
We thought we'd go on a walk to this waterfall. Is that cool?
Yeah! We're almost there. We are so close to the waterfall. It's right there. Oh my gosh. What? What? Oh my gosh.
Yes, I'm enjoying my peanuts. This is one tasty peanut. Love it. I want to pet it. Oh, oh!
Where'd it go?
It ran away.
Back here. He's right there. He's right here. Guys, look. Dad, where? Dad. They're right here. Where is it? Oh, he's so cute.
Hey, look! There's the waterfall.
Let's not get stuck in
Is that pretty cool?
We'll make our own way. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air. Look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside. outside, away from the crowd. Just you and me together, it will all seem better outside. Just us in the sky. I will go wherever, I'll be yours forever. Are we part of this circus? Is it innate? Feels like a heavy burden, but I can't relate. Do our actions even matter? Or is this our fate? At least now I'm feeling better. I know I'm here to stay. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air. Look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd. Just you and me together, it will all seem better outside. Just us in the sky.
Get in the water too, but we didn't bring our swimsuits.
Yeah.
You could, I guess you could get in since you have sandals.
Yeah.
Maybe not. It's really cold.
But look, they don't have any.
I know, none of us have sandals.
I have.
Except for Mom.
Yeah, except for Mom can go in there.
Whoa. 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 Yeah. Wait, hold on.
I know
Hold
how
on.
to get down.
Come over here. Come over here. Slippery rocks. You can probably just get in the water. Whoa, it's slippery. Here. Yeah, there you go.
Ah, cold.
It's freezing cold.
Freezing and cold.
Here, I'll hold you.
It's okay. It's okay.
I got you.
Okay.
I got you. Oh,
Oh.
is that cold?
Not really.
Not really? Let's come up here.
Oh, my feet are getting so wet. It's so cold. My shoes.
That's okay.
It's not that cold.
It's not that cold.
To me.
It should be cold. It's from glaciers. It's from the snow melting at the top of the mountain. We can make it. Oh yeah. We did it. Oh, we go a little higher. Cool. You want to go down now? Yeah, Austin just stepped right in the water.
That is freezing.
I want my heels.
What are you doing?
Rocks in my pocket.
You were collecting rocks
Yes.
in your pocket?
Look inside.
Wait, let me see. Yeah, there's a lot of rocks in there.
I just want to keep them.
All right, let's walk back.
I can hear rocks in her pocket shaking.
You still got your rocks? Yes?
Wait.
You got them?
I got some right here.
I'm glad you got your rocks. Oh, there's one.
There's still a lot in there.
Good. Keep them forever.
Ooh.
Or not. What'd you find?
A wasp nest.
That is cool. They're not moving. Okay, that's gross.
Okay. No thanks.